What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the righteous, so. And yes, guys, you've read the title correct. Hair tutorial. Yes, I'll be showing you guys a hair tutorial on how to get your natural hair into 2 cornrows. I'll insert a picture, whether it's here or there. You'll see the picture. Yes, guys. So it's my first time doing a tutorial on the channel, so leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Blow up this, share because you care, and remember to follow our Instagrams. Check the description for the links and follow our TikToks. Yes, guys, King is not here because he's at work, so it's just me, and I'll give you the thought for today from now because we're gonna just go straight into the video. So the thought for today is you can always try new things, guys. Feel free to try new things. If you've never done something before, just try it. You don't know if that's what will work for you, you feel me? So just try and try and try, and you hear what them say, practice becomes permanent. Not perfect, permanent. Yes, guys, and the usual, put God first in whatever you do and build a relationship with God, because in these times you need to have a relationship with God to have his covering over you and your family. So build a relationship with God, and I'm not gonna say too much. We're gonna just get right into the video, so let's go. Yes, guys, so this is it. I must apologize for the way the camera is not full screen. This was not a planned video, so let's go. So right here, some of this apart my ear to make it straight, get the parting how I want it, because as I said, this wasn't a planned video. So I actually comb up most of my hair already, and I had the part how I wanted it, right? So I'm just neating up that part. So yes, guys, me a comb out my ear now. Me a comb out because the ear did tough, I have my ear up in a one of them style, them fuzzy style. Yeah, so my ear did tough. So me a comb it out. I don't know, me add some comb through and some ear oil, comb it out. So yeah, now me gonna get right in the cornrow, right? So me just section that little piece never start it and fix the camera good so you can see all what one. Body up myself, ensure say it's going how I want it to. So right now I'm just go and camera and catch it at the angle how I want it. So me look to see if it go how I want it. Yeah, and it's a go that way there. So I continue the cornrow now. Yes, guys. And if you are not from the Caribbean, you will know this as braid, but for us it's cornrow. Yes, guys. So I know some reach halfway now. Alright then, boom. I know if I never video this and show no and tell somebody say I did my hair, persons would say you're lying because I've got it a lot. Right, so I'm going to little smile right this stuff, all that good stuff. So yeah, finish that one there, and I'm gonna show you to repeat the same step that I do over there, over here now. So you don't know again, combing out again, and guys, I have to speed up this because that combing out here was as I say, you're the tough and the dead say me a scratch, it a scratch me. Comb out. Yeah, girl, look at your ear. I have to comb out properly in order to get it how you want it. And I'm combing on my hair, and as you see, I'm using my fingers as a method of raking, and me I pull it down just the same here. So now I'm going to start the cornrow back again. I'm just checking and taking out a piece right there. So now I'm gonna just go and cornrow the ear. Yes. When you grab up your front this so it little bit and tender, so that's how I did have beat my bad right there. So but nevertheless, me I check it again, make sure say it's how I want it. So me I get it done right. You can right here, girl, you can get it if you really want. Check on it. Alright, good with that now. You see, guys, you just have to try new things. You don't know that flash finger something when you can own natural ear, guys. If you have natural ear, you know me at oh. So me check on it again. Finally, I reach down to the end, plus out the end and all of that good stuff. And guys, it's a lazy hairstyle. You just warm my hair, don't want your ear to be all frizzed out and stuff. So you just drop a bad cornrow in a tool. Yeah. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop it down in the comment section down below. Yes, girl, I check our length, guys. Yes, I don't know, I'm gonna cool up my face cause me I gonna do edges and I decide to want to take two pictures, yeah. Yes guys, so that's the gel. And if you know toothbrush. If you don't have edge brush, the balm work just the same. So you know I like my little small swoop. Yeah, I'm not perfect at doing edges and then my ear again. Always a pull out. So I'm just alright then. Brush in that first, yeah. Get it all in there, brush it in. Yeah, I'm gonna comb here now. Because I see some little fly away and push under. Yeah, if you know, you know. Get it all neat and all of that. Put it up in there. Back to the edges now. Yeah. Swoop here. Swoop. I can do all things. Oh God will strengthen me. I will fear no evil. I'm gonna swoop that. Alright, then now I make the sideburns. You know, so I naturally have sideburns. So I'm gonna repeat the edges over the next side again now. Swoop. Again, that side you're kind of difficult for me, because the ears sometimes over that side you're going like it no want to work the way I want it to work. So yeah, finally it go how I want it to go now. Make a little soup. I can do all things. And yeah, me I do the next side burns them now. So yeah, me I stretch out the ear now for check the length I should say. You don't know, you can't complete without your edge, your eyebrows, you feel me? So eyebrows done now. So bye guys.